Welcome back to Partickhill Station for a quick little video, a bit of an unboxing, and here's an example here of the matchsticks that could be turned into old ties, and there's a collection of other useful pieces that should be found around your layout. Alright, so let's get into this little box that arrived this afternoon. I know what it is and I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, we'll see. It's the usual, well packaged. Let's just have a look here. I bet Clive doesn't have these, but he may after he sees them. Let's see, once again, nice, well packaged. Just give it a helping hand here. And look at that. Aren't they just fantastic? I just love those. Now let's get them out here. Perfect little 4mm. Yeah, look at that. That's just perfect. How useful are they going to be? Let's just have a closer look here. Yeah, I think they're made of plastic, but hey, that doesn't matter. They've got everything in there, and I can put a driver operator on there and get them moving around. Well, these figures have got long legs and difficult to get them into that tight little space. I may have to do a bit of surgery on them just, to get them in there easily. But yeah, they just look fantastic. And, I'm very happy with them. And the price was right. It was just all over $8 for the two. And they'll be a great addition to the layout, whether it be in a luggage area or at the scrapyard. But yeah, they look fantastic. And as you see, one has got a cage and one doesn't. It's a bit of variety there. So what I'll do is I'll dull them down a bit, weather them to make them look as if they've been busy and used, and then we'll go from there. Let's just see, get them on there. Not a perfect example, but I mean, it just shows the scale of things, right? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and keep your eyes open, because I'm putting a big video up this evening, which I'm sure you will all really enjoy. So just keep an eye out for it, and let me know what you think about these little forklifts, and if you're going to get a couple for your layout. 00 scale, or at least that's what they were sold as, and I'm quite happy with them. I'll find a spot for them, and that'll be great. So check them out, and we'll see you later for the big video, and many thanks for dropping by, and remember to give me the big thumbs up. You know how it works. Bye for now.